Lisa with WTI. If you do nails at home or in a salon, this Half Moon LED floor lamp by MKPAEI is a must have. It gives amazing light, super bright and clear, so you can see every detail while working on nails. I really like that the lamp has adjustable color settings so you can switch from warm to cool light depending on what you like. You can just press the control to switch the lighting without having to reach out. It really helps reduce eye strain when you're working for hours. I also like that it adjusts to any angle, which is perfect for getting the right view when doing nail art or applying polish. It also has great stability, as you can see. I also love that it comes with a phone holder so you can film your work. This lamp is so well made and it's easy to assemble because the instructions are crystal clear. So if you're looking for a lamp that is strong, modern, and makes your workspace look clean and professional, I highly recommend this one. This will provide perfect lighting for nails, eyelash extensions, or even your spa. It's worth every penny. And that's my point of view.